Well, welcome to Copart. Another day, another dollar. I always found these trailers to be so interesting. Look at all the crap that's like in the trailer, like all the oil and stuff in that center rail. All that this dude does is haul scrap with these. And he's currently using the upper deck to crush the roof of that car. Well, the good thing is they're really not all that busy. There's only that guy beside me, the guy that was crushing the roof, he's already gone. He only picked up one. This guy beside me over here just got one that he put on the back. And then there's a rollback beside me. I don't know if this loader's bringing his car or another car for. Might be bringing another car for. Yeah, this guy looks like he's putting his straps out of the way so he can move his truck. I'll pull forward a little bit for him. I guess we're gonna side load him with another one. I had something to say, but I don't remember what it was. Oh, that 3500 that you see backing up like right there. It's a Hemi. It's a dually Hemi. So I don't understand it because how do you ever get fuel or get gas? You know, most of the time on the road you can plan to where you can get, you know, diesel at a truck stop or a place that has truck pumps. And think about having to plan every single trip. I'm thinking about plan every single trip to get gas. But now that I'm thinking about this, that has an aux tank on the back, and having gas in an auxiliary tank is not legal. So it says diesel, it has a diesel sticker on it, like it's a used tank or something. So if that guy's putting gas in an auxiliary tank, that is extremely dangerous. But what do I know? So they just called us in. We got our paperwork. I had to pay storage, but this guy's a good customer of mine, so he'll pay me back. It's a run and drive Chevy Express van. Should bring it out any minute. I'm actually gonna try to actually get better at taking more footage for you guys. So especially new guys that don't understand like how Copart works, or people that are just fascinated with them, how this whole industry works. I'm trying to take more footage, so I got my handy dandy Insta360 that I just clip on my, well, not that way, but just clip on my hat here and videotape everything I do. So we're just gonna sit here and wait for them to bring our van and we'll be ready to go. It's like 2.5 hours from here to delivery. So didn't find anything else to take up after what happened with the other one, and didn't find anything to bring back. So it is what it is. He's a good customer of mine. And he usually pays me whatever I request within reason, and he gets it that, you know, getting up to him is a little difficult, and you know, he deals in like hundreds of vans, hundreds of commercial vehicles, so you know, he understands it. He's been doing this for a long time. I'm a little concerned that this guy does not have dollies. And that is an all-wheel drive Subaru on a wheel lift. So how long or how many miles till this thing's burnt to the ground on the side of the road? Well, after a little further investigation, that Hemi truck has a Cummins in it, so I guess they probably swapped it at some point. Hemi probably blew up in it and they put a Cummins in it. It's idling over there now, and you can tell it's a Cummins. sure what exactly is going on with this thing. I got to make it work. All the tires are flat. Look on that one's flat. That one's flat. I gotta let some air out of the bags on this thing. It's sitting too high. But could have moved it over a little bit, but it's not a big deal. Let's just get it strapped down. So we'll go around the control arm here since the tire's flat. He was messing with that Subaru. I think he probably got it figured out. He's pulling fuses and stuff, but I don't know. I've worked for him for 7 years, I should know. I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to flat tow Subarus no matter what. Even if you pull the fuses or anything like that. The real thing is, I guess, would be to let it run in neutral. But maybe if I get this strap on, we'd be, Well, look where I am again. I really didn't expect to come back here, but I'll show you why. So we're picking up this Wrangler. It's something. I mean, it's clean. I don't know, I guess this Golden Eagle is a certain package. It's got 42,000 original miles on it. It's got to end up in Miami next week. I don't know if this is from the venue or how they brought it in. This thing's all, I mean, it's gonna get shipped and closed to Florida, but it's got like bugs and stuff all over it. I don't know if they shipped it in open and tried to wipe it down. As you can see, like the fingerprints. It's got all the lights on the dash on. I just documented all that stuff on the BOL. I don't think I've dealt with this broker before, and I'm kind of like, they said today's the last day. He asked if I could get up here and get this out. I said, yeah, but I'm gonna have to store it until I leave, either Sunday or Monday. But like, I guess this thing was like in the dirt or like dust. They just armor all the outside of the tires over the dust. But we'll get it loaded up here, get it back to the house, and then continue on with our day. Well, this is always something fun. This thing doesn't have reverse. So it starts to pop out of gear. I'll have to clutch a little bit. Doesn't have reverse.